This is my 2005 Holden Astra that I am going to be turning into a track car. It has, I don't know if you can see that, but 189,000 Ks. 2 weeks left of rego. So you know what that means. This one is the, what's the thing? This is the base model, but it's like the high trim. It's got the 1.8 litre engine, makes about 90 kilowatts. I think it's gonna do good. All it needs, as of now, is the front and rear brakes service. Just typical service things. And yeah, we're good to go. I'll see you then. Should have been straight. Does it work? Yeah, safety first. Oh, fuck. Bro. Okay, as you can see, pretty low. Alright, take these covers off the back. We can go off. This dries. This is like how it's got blind. The screwdriver's gonna explode. There you go. Yeah, see how this pad is kind of stuck in there? There's plenty of meat left. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Try to tuck that away where it won't keep flying. disc. Make sure you wash these both sides with brake clean. Oh, fuck, I've got meats on these. Brembo. Use one of these. I can't really do this one-handed. Let me see if I can. You can use a proper tool, or use one of these. But that doesn't seem to be enough. Ta-da! There you go. Slides right over there. And then you go with this. Oh, wait. Put it like that. That's in. Oh, there goes my hand. Alright. And your two caps. Make sure the top one's in. Bottom one, kind of hold it in place. Get a screwdriver. And like that. There you go. Shouldn't go anywhere. Under we go. These ones are fun. Very new. Fucking gust of wind made a mess. Let's go. I'm sure that's enough. It's fresh oil anyway, so. Oh, fuck. Did I just move it? It's going. It's going. There you go. Jesus. Please don't make a mess. Oh. It's the old one. Rubber grease. I like the rubber grease. It looks nice. Alright. Perfect. Squiddy. forgot the spark plugs. Switch to my phone. Because the GoPro's dead. Ah. Phone low battery as well. Alright, we gotta be quick. This has to come off. You'll have to take this cover off. How genius is that? These are meant to be double hex, but haha, this works. Go on. Don't want to break that connector. Maybe I shouldn't have ran this for that long. See? This car's a stupid design thing. Something loose in there. If one goes bad, I'll change the whole thing. It's stupid. I got the right size thing on. That was not tight. Either not tight or these have been changed before. That was not tight. Oh. Yeah. Oh, they're on double. They're pretty worn. Oh, I've lost a piece. Shiny.
We're by yourself here.
That's fine. Alone with my thoughts.
Oh, sorry.
That's always fun. You not turning? There you go. These threads have gone long. Good. Tight is right. I guess what's good about this is you can just go. Bonk. Oh, I didn't plug it in. Oh fuck, oops. There you go, done. And done. Oh, fans max.
You know, 91, 95 and 98.
Yeah, it still runs.